This lentil loaf is everything I want in a cozy, dependable dinner. It's hearty, savory, and actually satisfying, not just pretending to be something else. It starts simple. I preheat the oven and prep a loaf pan, then build all the flavor in one skillet. Onion, carrots, celery, and garlic cook down until soft and fragrant. You want the vegetables finely minced and tender so the loaf holds together later. Once they're softened, I add the seasoning and tomato paste. Letting the tomato paste cook for a minute deepens the flavor and gives the loaf that rich, savory backbone. A splash of tamari ties it all together, then everything comes off the heat. In a large bowl, mash some lentils just enough to keep some texture. You don't want lentil paste, so leave about half intact. Then add the vegetable mixture, flax eggs, breadcrumbs, and oats. The mixture should feel thick and scoopable, not loose. When you transfer it to the pan, press it in firmly. I like to add it in layers and press each one down. That's the secret to a loaf that slices clean. The glaze is simple but essential. Tangy, slightly sweet, and it caramelizes just enough in the oven to pull everything together. I brush some on before baking and save the rest to add later. After baking, let it rest. This part is non-negotiable. 15 minutes makes all the difference, and it gets even better the longer it sits. Overnight refrigeration makes it nice and firm. This lentil loaf is easy, comforting, and perfect for weeknight dinners or make-ahead meals, and the recipe is waiting for you at nutsandtwigs.com.